Hey guys, good morning. Of course, this is another one shot before I posted it, so this is obviously not live from this morning. But anyways, I hope you're all having a great morning so far, and I wanted to bring you guys to my second property. So it was a fourplex in a older home, definitely a lot newer. I think 1950, so about 50 years newer than my last one. So I was able to kind of up it a little bit. One thing I did realize, the big piece of learning this was because I wasn't going to live in it, I did have to put down a much bigger down payment, the 20 to 25% purchase price of the purchase price meant that I had to have a lot more skin in the game for the first non-live-in investment property. So did learn that, put on a new roof, some new decks, new ACs, quite a few new appliances, that type of thing. Also put in some management changes as far as getting rents up to market rent, fixing things, having residents put in work orders. Additionally, let's see, this is where I stopped mowing every single property myself and started hiring that out. I learned a lot on the property management side, was kind of bit by that bug, and then after I had purchased this property, that's when I had jumped into property management for a few years. So definitely enjoyed my time there. So yeah, again, just wanted to bring you guys here. I'm sure in the future we'll talk more numbers on my second rental property here, but yeah, so just wanted to swing by the fourplex and show you guys that.